countries across the world. And I can understand there are about 30 people who are presenting their papers or talking on this convention, which I think is a path-breaking sector. We all know that the pandemic has been pretty bad for everybody, but I think it's not bad. It's actually good. It's made us rethink. It's made us understand who we are. It's made us realize that this planet is our home, no doubt, but we are only tenants. The owner of this planet is Mother Earth, and we've got to live by her terms and what she denotes as life as we could take it. And as such, transportation is something which is actually inherently one of the key factors for how and why we pollute this planet. And to put it in a nutshell, when I was a kid, we knew about Jetsons and comics in terms of drones. In fables and fantasy, we knew about Pegasus as a flying horse. We all know that man first took to horses to go faster than what he could walk or run. And then he translated that into horsepower, into mechanical energy and to motion. However, it's important to understand that just like in our body, we have arteries and veins and capillaries. And within these flow our red blood corpuscles, which deliver energy, which deliver nutrients. And on its way back, it also delivers oxygen. And on its way back out of the system, it takes out all the oxidants and the pollutants from our body. Unfortunately, while in the world, communication is through highways, roads, and alleys or whatever, and we have cars, trucks, and buses and two-wheelers that transport people, transport goods, and therefore, like red blood corpuscles, they give us what it needs to make the economy run, people to live. However, the downside is that conventional transportation pollutes the planet like none other. And what's important to understand is that the roads that are made and built are polluting from the word go. From the time you take out the materials to make a road, transport those materials, to dig for the road, making earth-moving equipment, etc. You clear trees and foliage in order to make a road, right? And then you lay the road, and then you pollute the planet. All right. So you're doing the reverse. Now, I feel that drones is something that's going to completely change that reality. It'll take a little time, but given supercomputing now, given quantum computing, which has now come out, we will find developments very fast. So I wouldn't take much more of your time, but just to say that man's desire, eternal desire, is to go faster, go further, to discover more, and to fly, right? So there's a combination of both a car, a horse, and a plane in the form of a drone, which is the dream of any human being. So nothing can stop this development. Nothing can stop this from going forward. And I'm thankful to Cabotics and Ruchi, etc., who have brought about such institutions who can collate this information. And we've been discussing also on how we could take this forward. Because it's important to understand also, I must say this right now today in this forum, that while we must popularize it, make it acceptable, make it understandable, but we must understand it has to be done in a very safe way. We cannot fool around with this technology. It's essentially aviation. And the reason we all take to an aircraft and we fly is because it's safe. And why is it safe? Because Federal Aviation Authority ensures that all the technologies and the planes have backup systems. There are 3 backup systems. It does make planes expensive, but it makes them very, very safe. So we must understand this, and we must honor this, that it is something that we owe to society or to every human being, that we shouldn't hurt anyone or maim anyone by this technology while it is inevitable and to go forward. I thank you all for coming and participating in this convention. And thank you, Ruchi, once again for inviting me to inaugurate this global convention. Thank you very much.